Solve the equation. Solution. 2 equals to 7 divided by 2b minus 1 divided by 3. At the left hand side we have 2. And we can write this 2 as 2 divided by 1. So the LCM of denominators. The denominators are 1, 2b, and 3. The LCM of 1, 2b, and 3 will be equals to 1 times 2b times 3. And this will give us what? 2b times 1. That will give us 2b. Then times 3 will give us 6b. While we're having the product of 1, 2b, and 3 as the LCM. When you check the denominators, the highest common factor of 1, 2b, and 3 is 1. So since the highest common factor of the three expressions are the product of 1, 2b, and 3, then the LCM will become what? 6b, because the highest common factor is just 1. Once the highest common factor of the denominators is equals to 1, then the LCM is the product of their denominators. So let's multiply all through by the LCM to solve further. Multiply all through by 6b. We multiply all through by 6b. 6b multiplied by 2 divided by 1 is equals to 6b multiplied by 7 divided by 2b, then minus 6b multiplied by 1 over 3. Now, 2 divided by 1 is still 2. So 2 times 6b will give us what? 12b. Equals to b here 1, b here 1. So 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 2 in 6, we have 3. So 3 times 7, that is 21. Minus 3 here 1, 3 in 6, we have 2. So 2b times 1, we have 2b. The next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, we are going to bring minus 2b to the left. It will become what? Plus 2b. Then equals to 21. Now, 12b plus 2b will give us what? 14b. Now equals to 21. For us to get the value of b, we divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 14. 14b divided by 14 will be equals to 21 divided by 14. 14 here 1, 14 here 1. b equals to what? b is equals to 21 divided by 14. But we can reduce this. What is the highest common factor between 21 and 14? And that is 7. So 21 divided by 7 here, that will give us 3. And 14 divided by 7 will give us 2. So we have b equals to 3 divided by 2. We cannot leave our answer as an improper fraction. Then we need to convert this improper fraction to a mixed numbers. So in this case, we have 3 divided by 2, that is 1. Remainder what? 1 divided by 2. So it means that b equals to 1.5 or 1.5. That is a solution to the problem. Thank you.